became an engineer because I generally have always been interested in STEM topics, and an engineer just fit naturally into it. When I was young in school, I loved competing in building contests, building a tower that could hold a lot of weight, balsa wood bridge or something like that. Those things were really fun to do. And while that does seem like some more civil engineering work, ultimately mechanical engineering seemed to be my call. So that's why I eventually became a mechanical engineer, and really glad I did, because I've had a lot of wonderful opportunities in this role. I've worked on the NXTXU project at the lab, I've had the opportunity to work on a permanent magnet stellarator, and then also now I'm working on the ITER tokamak in France. So all of these are wildly different projects which required me to stretch myself and learn and explore and grow. So it's been a very fun and challenging journey so far.